So you guys been asking me what's my skin regimen. So I use Cerasee soap to wash my face, and I use turmeric healing oil that we make. So it's for acne. It balances your skin tone, it reduces dark marks on your skin, and it makes your skin glow. So it's made with coconut oil, turmeric, honey, and some essential oils to make it smells really, really nice. So we only sell it in Jamaica. It's $1,000 for the bottle, special offer, and it's delivered through Knutsford Express. We do not deliver to anyone because there's so many people you would have to arrange in a day, and that is just chaotic. And knowledgeable true version works a different job as well, so you can imagine. So only through Knutsford Express when you make the payment through an account. Okay, that's it. This is what it will look like. Glowy skin, beautiful, no acne, no bumps. We all get rid of those scars. Okay, it's a healing oil, natural, all natural healing oil. Get yours. It's very cheap before it goes up.